years I've found that the most important thing in my life is to try and get people to understand that the great white shark isn't as dangerous as the fear and emotions that are portrayed. The number of shark attacks around the world, the number of deaths is actually very minimal compared to the fear that's generated by people and the media when there is an attack. If you like to compare it with other things, far more people are killed on push bikes each year. Being eaten alive is probably one of our worst fears, and it's publicised a lot by the media. I just wish the message that they got out to people was more that we need to live with the sharks and learn about the sharks and not just kill them from fear.